Sir, there are 20 students including you.
Okay, again, very good morning to all of you. Today is the first day after winter break, and as I told, today I'll start a new chapter after winter vacation. Okay, the chapter is geometrical construction. So, in your class 7, you have come to know how to draw a triangle when its sides and angles are given. Okay, and before that also I have covered using compass how you will draw different types of angle different with different measurement. Here we will come to know how to draw quadrilateral when its sides and angles are given. That's why it is very much required. So whether you have come to know whatever I taught you before, that is regarding this, what are the different types of angle we can draw using compass, you have to repeat again. Okay, so that you cannot complete it. And moreover, chapter quadrilateral. Chapter quadrilateral, in that chapter I have discussed about the properties of some quadrilaters. When its shape is not regular, then it is a general quadrilateral. And then when its shape is regular, like parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, when it will be there, it means certain property you have to apply. Say, draw a rhombus when its one side and diagonal is given. One side is given means what? All sides are given. So that property you have to apply. Even rectangle, when its adjacent sides given. So when two sides given means all sides given. Parallelogram, when two sides given means all sides given, because opposite sides of parallelogram equal, opposite sides of rectangles are equal. This property you have to apply. Those who forgot that property, please you go through this quadrilateral chapter once again and try to learn the properties which will help you to draw the quadrilateral on your notebook. So before starting, I have to draw using compass and ruler, draw angle using compass and ruler. Draw. Can you clearly read it? Draw the following angles. Number 1, 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, then 105 degree, 120 degree, then 135 degree, then 150 degree, then 165 degree. These many angles are there. I have drawn it in class 7 also, if you remember. Can you read it now? One of you students, please tell me. Can you read it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clearly?
Yes, sir.
You can read
Yes,
the
sir.
whatever I have written on the board.
Yes,
It is
sir.
clearly
Yes, sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
बस अभी
Yes, sir.
माइक्रोफोन बंद करो.
A
So
60 degree, B 30 degree, C 90 degree, D 45 degree, E 75 degree, F 105 degree,
then 120, 135,
G 120 degree, 135,
150 and
130,
165.
115.
So इतने में नहीं draw नहीं करूँगा. Okay, something I will leave it to you also. You will do it. Okay, now I am starting this. Using protector and using compass. You will not use your protector. Using compass, how to draw the different type of angle, because construction of quadrilateral sometimes you have to draw the angle without using protractor. जिन्होंने प्रोटेक्टर यूज करके कंस्ट्रक्शन करेगा, स्टेट वे आई विल गिव यू 0. ओके, सो यूजिंग कंपास, सपोज टू ड्रॉ 60 डिग्री एंगल, यू नो इट वेरी वेल, क्लास 7 में मैंने किया. दोज हु हैव फॉरगॉट, जस्ट ट्राई टू रिकलेक्ट इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have to draw. Now you have to draw a line segment. Along with me, you also draw. Okay, you draw first this angle, or draw line segment. At both end I can draw, at anywhere I can draw angle. So generally we draw it at the two end. First of all, I am doing this one. So what to do? We have to take a convenient radius. Convenient radius means what? The radius which can help me to rotate the compass properly. This is my compass. Okay. So now take a convenient radius, place at one end, draw arc. Got it? Now with same measure, don't change it. Place at here and cut. Understood? After that, what to do? You have to join this one. Place at here and join. So this is blindly 60 degree. Clear? Any doubt? Now, how you draw 30 degree? Same way, you have to draw one line. Now, same way, take a convenient radius, place that here, draw arc and cut with the same arc, same measure. But you will not join. If I join it now, it will be 60 degree. But my instruction is what? 30 degree. So that means I have to bisect this part. It is 60, this is 0. This is 60 and this one is 0. So I have to bisect again with the same measure. I have to bisect. Okay. Now place your compass at a 0. Draw arc and place a 60. Cut arc. Now this point and this point, if I join, then it will be blindly 60 degree. Note down. Sorry, 30 degree. Now place it here. First pencil, then ruler. Now it is 30 degree. Any doubt? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No confusion? Clearly visible? Okay, yes, it is clearly visible. Now do it, please do it. आप लोग साथ साथ करो. Now I'm rubbing one by one and doing other part. I have to draw 90 and 45. What to do? 90 and 45. So for 90, same way. What we'll do? I will draw first one line segment. Line segment with convenient radius. This is the convenient radius. Now draw arc at one end. Draw arc. Semicircle more or less with same measure. Place at here. Cut 60. Cut 120. So 60 plus 120. How much I am getting? 60 plus, this is 60, this is 120. If I add the two measure, I am getting 180. And what is the half of 180? 90. That means we have to
So
make
90.
it half. From 120 and 60 का half करेंगे, I will get 90. Okay. So same measure, place at here, draw arc on the top and draw arc here also. Okay. Now place your pencil first and then ruler and join. This is how much?
So
This
90
is
degree.
90 degree. Okay. Now this side I am rubbing it. I have to draw what? 45 degree. So 45 degree के लिए first of all I have to draw 90 and then make it half. Half of 90 will be 45 degree. So 45 degree directly नहीं होगा. आप कौन सी एंगल बना पाओगे using compass? The angle which are multiple of 15. Which are multiple of 15, that type of angle I can draw. Okay. So now place draw a line segment. Okay. So place at one point here, draw 90 degree. Now this one, cut 160, 120 and 120 and 60 का बीच में 90. Do you require 90? You don't require 90. But if you don't join it, so you cannot make it up. What is the position of 90 here? I have to ये दोनों का बीच वाला पोर्शन कौन है? अगर लाइन ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे, so you will not make out. So place your pencil and ruler and then join. So it is better than if you join it dotted line. Okay, because it is not required, but it will help to draw the 45 degree. Okay, now your 90 is here and your 0 is here. I have to bisect this gap. I have to bisect. How? Take the measure more than half. You have to, this time you have to expand. Same measure में नहीं होगा. Place at 90 and draw an arc in front of it. With same measure, place at 0, cutter. Okay? So join it. This one, pencil and ruler. This is set square. I don't not got the ruler. So this is 45 degree and this is 90 degree. Blindly. Got it? Have you come to know?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Have you,
No,
have you
sir.
completed your task?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now side by side आप लोग नहीं करोगे तो बाद में नहीं मिलेगा. Now I'm doing what? Next coming 75. How I'm doing 75? You see, 75 also directly I cannot draw. It will help to what? First of all, you see here, this is the 60, this is 45, and this is 90. So 60 or 90 plus करो. How much I'm getting? 60 plus 90. How to find out the middle one? So 60 plus 90 is coming 150. What is the half of 150? 150 का half is 75. It means 75 lies in between 90 and 60. So आपको 90 बनाना है and thereafter you have to make it half. Okay, so it will be 75. And again, this is 90, this is 120. What is the sum of 90 and 120? 210. What is the half of 210? Half of 210 is 150. That means your 105. 105 lies in between 120 and 90. So this is the way. But if you draw in one figure all angles, yeah, it will not be good. Easy. आंखों का सामने कैसे लगेगा? So I will draw two separate figure. I will draw two separate figure. Mute करो अपना microphone. Only work. You just do your work. Microphone mute करो. So I will take a convenient radius. Draw angle here. First you have to draw 90. Cut 160. Cut 2. This is 19. This is 90. Okay. Place your pencil, then ruler. Dot it because 90 is not required, but without the help of 90 I cannot draw 75. So this position is 90 and this position is this position is 60. In between the 90 and 60 and 75 lies. So you reduce it now little. Place at 90. Draw an arc in front of it and place at 60. Cut it. Okay, now join. This is your point. Place your protector and join. So now this is 75. This is 75. Got the idea? Clear? So clearly visible. So this board is working nicely.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm coming to next question. 105. How to draw 105? So same way, I have to draw a line segment first. एक line segment बनाया. Then I have to draw 90. I have to draw 90. This is 60. This is 120. And in between 60 and 120, 90 is there. 90 is not required. I will join it, dot it, because without help of 90 I cannot complete the figure. So this is 90, this is 60, this is 120. So 120 plus 90, 205, 210, half of the 210 is 105. That means I have to make it half. 120 and 90 का half. अगर इधर का half करे तो 75 और इधर का half करे तो 105. Understood? So I have to make it half, reduce it little bit. Place that here, 120, draw arc. Place at 90, cut the arc. Okay? So place it, join. Here, this angle, this is 105 degree. So this is the combination of different type of angle. With the help of it, you can complete the figure. Clear? अगर सारे angle बनाने के लिए जाएंगे तो it will take time. Only one I am doing now. That is 135 कैसे बनाएंगे? 135. 120 तो दो बार बनाने से 120. If we join it, 120. But I have to draw 135. How? This is very important question. Okay? For this, what to do? You see, first of all, you have to draw a line segment as usual. Okay? Now this time I will draw angle at the somewhere at the middle. Anywhere I can draw, somewhere at the middle. So taking a convenient radius, okay? Place at this point, draw semicircle. Okay? Touching the 2 point. Cut once, this 60, 120, then this is 80. Okay. So now 135, how can I draw? You have to join two angles. That is 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45, how much I am getting? 90 plus 45 is 135. This combination of two angles will give you the answer. So first of all 90 you have to complete. So 90, we have to complete 90. Join it. Place at this point here. This is 90. Clear? Geometry box अगर tight होगा. So this side is 90. That side also 90. Both side 90, 90. Then it will be one linear pair. Okay. Now what to do? I will complete this 90 plus half of the 90. So that means this 90 I have to make it half. This 90. This is 90 plus half of this 90. So if I divide it two parts, so this 90 I have to make it half. Place it here. Take little more radius. Draw arc here and cut the arc. Okay? So join it. Join it. Okay? This angle, this complete angle. So 135. How? 90 plus 45 equals to 135 degree. Understood? By the combination of two. 90 pura and 45 from the next.
Sir,
Okay? Yes?
Sir, please explain one more time.
Once again,
Sir, I have.
देखो, I told you I cannot draw all angles by the help of compass. Those angles which are the multiple of 15, but still directly that 135 I cannot draw. Then what to do? I have to take the sum of the two angles. तो आपको इमेजिन करो कौन कौन एंगल हम बना सकते हैं. 90 तो इजीली आई कैन ड्रॉ, 45 easily I can draw. So what is the sum of 90 and 45? 90 plus 45 equals to 135. That means in order to construct 135, we have to take the help of two angles. One is 90, another is 45. That means first I will draw 90, this side 90, that side also 90. So now if I bisect the 90 from that side, ये वाला साइड का 90 को bisect करे तो ये 45 45 हो गया. This is 45, this is 45 and this is 90. अभी ये 45 और ये 90 अगर ऐड करेंगे that will be the measure of 135. Understood? And remaining जो एंगल है प्लीज ट्राई टू कंप्लीट. दो एंगल रिमेनिंग है वो आप करोगे. 120 तो इजीली यू कैन जॉइन 120 हो जाता है. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग माय एक्सरसाइज. ओके, सो क्योंकि जब एक्सरसाइज में एंगल दिया जाएगा वही
Sir,
एंगल
what
होगा.
questions are left?
हाँ,
Sir, 120 and
120 तो इजी है, मैंने बनाया नहीं पूरा. ये देखो ये है 120.
no, sir. Sir, I am telling that 120 and how many angles are left that we have to complete.
120 and 150 and 165. Okay,
Okay, sir.
combination of 2-3 angles, you will get the figure. So you will use your common sense. Okay? Now I am rubbing it.
Yes, sir.
I am coming to the exercise 14.1. 14.1. Yes, 4.1. 4.1. जल्दी करो क्योंकि आपको 4.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. पहले देखो क्या क्या दिया. फर्स्ट रूल देखो, रूल सुनो, पहले रूल सुनो. Whatever the measurement given in class 7 also I taught same way. Whatever the measurement is given, you have to draw using your ruler. That measurement you have to draw. After that, you have to draw the rough diagram of the quadrilateral. And then you tick कौन कौन साइड है, कौन कौन साइड है. Okay. Thereafter you have to decide मैं काम शुरू करूँ कैसे. How to start drawing this quadrilateral. You have to guess the starting point. My opinion is that when quadrilateral you have to draw and its diagonal given, so your work will start from its diagonal. Your work will start from its diagonal. How? Question number 1 I am just telling you, you will come to know. Okay, today I will take class 11 5 till acha nobody. So whatever the measurement given, so quadrilateral this.
Sir, we have to mention the steps also.
Huh? Yes, repeat.
Sir, steps.
Yes. Yes, वो तो मैं बताया. Construction के बाद step must, and step will be one step I will explain and remaining step you will do it. Step means how you have made it. Okay, that procedure point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last number over. Hence ABCD is required quadrilateral. Understood my point? So now what are the
Yes,
measurement
sir.
given? Part 1. So AB is how much? 4.5. So I am drawing a line segment 4.5 A B. So I am drawing little more, but in exam you will draw exact measurement with the help of. Then 5 BC is 5.5. BC 5.5. BC 5.5. 5.5. Draw it. Then CD is 4. CD is 4. 4 centimeters CD. CD 4. Then AD is 6. AD is 6. AD is 6 centimeter. Now AC is how much? AC is 7 centimeter. Longest one. 7 centimeter. AC. Okay, 7 centimeter. Now what to do? I have to draw a rough case of diagram here. A, B, C, D. Now put tick mark. क्या क्या दिया गया है? AB is given. BC also given. CD also given. AD also given. And AC. AC means diagonal. ये देखो diagonal दे दिया. So I will start my work from diagonal. I told you to draw the quadrilateral. Your work will start from diagonal. That will be the best way. You can do some other tricks also, no problem. But my suggestion is that you start your work from diagonal. Okay. Now look. First of all, I will draw a big line segment which is greater than given line segment. Okay. This is my big line segment. Say AX. AC is the AX. Bas. Abhi with the help of compass and ruler, you have to complete the figure. First of all, I have drawn the step number 1. Draw a line segment AX which is greater than given line segments. जितने दिया गया उससे सबसे बड़ा एक बनाएंगे. Now take the measurement of AC. Take the measurement of AC. Okay, ये देखो. I have taken the measure of AC and cut it from here. Cut it from here. Then and then write down name and measure 7 centimeter. Now अगर AC में ये बना लिया तो AC का नीचे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? B, that is AB and BC. So take the measure of AB. Take the measure of AB. Exact AB measurement. Take the measure of AB. Place at A. Draw arc. And now take the measure of BC. This is BC. Take the measure of BC. BC. Place at C. C में प्लेस करो. कट. So this is the point of B. So once you have cut it and then join. then join करो. बाद में नहीं, तुरंत, नहीं तो भूल जाओगे. So AB is how much? 4.5. BC is how much? 5.5. Are you doing along with me? Hello,
Yes,
students.
sir.
Are you doing along with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Half portion is over. हाफ पोर्शन हो गया. अभी देखो आपका रफ केस डायग्राम. दिस इज AC. On the top, what we have? D. That is AD and BC. These two measurements are left. I have to draw. I have to take the measure and draw R. So AD is how much? Here. AD is here. Place at A. Draw arc. ठीक है? And this one is DC. Where is DC? This. Take the measure of DC. Place at C. Cut it. Join. Place first pencil, then ruler. This. And join this one. This. Okay. So this is what? 6 centimeter. And this is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Hence ABCD is required quadrilateral. Then पीछे नीचे लिखो steps of construction. Number 1, I am telling, I will send you this upload also अगर time मिला तो. Draw a line segment. First, whatever the measurement is given, I have drawn it. First, start of steps of construction. Draw a line segment X which is greater than given line segment. Now, take the measure of AC, cut it. We diagram देखेंगे. Then, take the measure of AB, place at A, draw arc. हो गया? पहले AC, then cut it. Take the measure of this, draw a line segment which is greater than given. Then take the measure of AC, cut. Then take the measure of AB, place at A, drawn. 4 हो गया. 5. Take the measure of BC, place at C, cut the arc. Join AB and CB. Then take the measure of AD, draw an arc. Take the measure of DC, place at C, cut the arc. Join AD and DC. Then last में 12 number. Hence ABCD is required quadrilateral. Any problem?
No, sir.
Please complete it. Whatever I said, follow this. Okay? This is the steps. I have given 12 steps, stepwise. First, draw a line segment which is greater than given line segment. Then take the measure of AC, place at A, cut it. Taking the measure of AB, place at A, draw an arc. Taking the measure of BC, place at C, cut the arc. Join AB and BC. Half portion is over. Now take the measure of AD, place at A, draw on the arc. Take the measure of CD, place at C, cut the arc. Join AD and DC. Hence ABCD is required quadrilateral. Understood my point? 13 plus 3, 16 students are in the shame, very shame. Okay? I'm not happy at all. After winter break, you people have forgot to attend the class. Okay, ठीक है? The way you will respond to my call, you will be facing problem. I don't know. We will help you out. I will not give you marks blindly if you are not following. Listen, students, those who are present. Whatever the PDF file I have given, this is very, very important for your periodic test too. Okay, so each and every question you have to solve. If you are doing it, 90% question will come from this PDF file. And 10% question I will set from my mind, whatever the discussion is there. All question will be auxiliary type MCQ. Question and answer both are given. You have to, like you speedexam.net you have done, same way you have to